Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to this Pepe update today. And just very quickly, we have like 2 to 3 more days to close the private. And scroll down, click on Discord, and go to the announcement and click my name and message me. So Pepe is currently trading at 7488. And there's this triangle that I noticed before. You have the triangle that looks like this, and we've seen a drop to the downside, a move back up like this, and this is where you're currently trading at the moment. So I do expect to see that there is a junction until 4th of May, which is 6 days from now or 7 days. And if you manage to make a clear direction, then we probably are going to see something happening. So you can already see that this is your first touch, move up, second touch, move up, a third one, a move up, a break to the downside, move to the upside like this. You came down, you're coming back up again. Just a little bit of a fake out that happened one more time right over there. So we do have this upper resistance. You can see that you have one touch, rejection, second one, rejection here, a third one, rejection again, and you probably are moving to the upside. There is a little bit of a scenario where you can say there's this left shoulder being printed out, right shoulder, and maybe the left shoulder getting printed out like this as well. So all in all, we're going to see until 6th of May, but I do expect that if you break above, retest like this, then we could actually start to move back up again. But by 6th May, if you start to come down like this and take that stop loss out at 6648, there could be chances of dropping down to 5664, as this is going to be your next level of support right over here. So if you ever do fall down and lose 6704, I think that's going to be your next big support. So that's all for this quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you in the next round of office.